The aerospace industry is growing exponentially. Likewise is the growth of information to be managed by the aviation stakeholders, such as airlines, airports, navigation service providers, and pilots. Digitalized is key, tackling aeronautical information. Overload digitalization increases efficiency and safety by automating processes like NOTAM management. NOTAM messages are essential in disseminating short-notice information about potential hazards along an aircraft's route. But despite the importance of NOTAM, it has some disadvantages that can lead pilots to miss critical flight information. What are the major disadvantages of the current NOTAM? Let's see it with an example. There is an event on a runway that requires the operator to create a NOTAM and distribute it to the stakeholders. The NOTAM management process is cumbersome and time-consuming. Briefing packages contain a huge number of NOTAMs, making it easy to miss critical information. NOTAM can be difficult to read and are prone to interpretation. There is clearly a need to improve the efficiency of exchanging critical aeronautical information. The NOTAM system as a whole. To face these challenges, Indra Avatech developed a new digital NOTAM system that provides the NOTAM information presented as a standardized set of data and distributed through swim services. Benefits of Indra Avatech's digital NOTAM streamlines NOTAM production and distribution, reduce information overload by allowing precise filtering of information relevant to the flight, minimizes misinterpretation by presenting information visually and as normal text, distributes digital NOTAM and ICAO text NOTAM in parallel. Our digital NOTAM integrates with other Indra Avatech systems. Digital NOTAM will ensure that pilots receive the information relevant to their flight and Indra Avatech. We believe this is just the beginning with digitally transforming the aviation industry, and we are facing the challenges to ensure that aviation is still at the forefront of digital innovation. Indra Avatech, the right digital aeronautical information at the right time, in the right place.